Okay, so today's video is on adding polynomials. I'm not going to focus on the do now. I'm just going to solely focus on the mini lesson, model problem, and check for understanding. So for adding polynomials, you need to combine. Ooh, that's a little big. Okay, combine all like terms. And what that means is you want to focus on your coefficients and your coefficients only. You're going to add or subtract them. Okay. When adding polynomials, you can rewrite the problem without parentheses. Once you get the hang of doing these, then this step can be eliminated. So again, optional once you are fluent in combining like terms. Now, standard form is very important because you must place your final answer in standard form. A lot of problems ask for standard form. So in order to do so, you need to place terms in order from highest exponent to lowest exponent. So highest being like x to the third, then x squared, then constant. Or you want to put your terms in alphabetical order if there's no exponents. So say you have a bunch of letters like A, L, M, Z, okay, you would just put them in alphabetical order from A to Z. Now your model problem here, I'm going to do this problem straight with, rewriting without parentheses, combining like terms from highest exponent to lowest exponent. Then when I do the check for understanding, I'll do that one without rewriting the problem without parentheses by just visualizing, and we'll go straight into the answer. So we rewrite the problem without parentheses. So 4x squared minus 5x plus 3. And then since this is an addition, we're adding polynomials, we want to just say, okay, we have a positive 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. All right, now I'm going to go over to my highlighter. You want to start combining like terms. So that means you're going to look for terms that have the same exponent, since we have same variable with same exponents. So we have 4x squared. We also have another x squared. We have a negative 5x and a positive 2x. And notice what I'm doing with the coefficients. I'm including the sign in front of that number. That's very important. And then finally, we have a positive 3 and a positive 1. So now we're going to, I'm going to go back to my writing. And we're going to combine like terms. Remember, we're just focusing on the coefficients. So I have my yellow x squared. So we have 4 plus 2, which is 6x squared. And then we have our negative 5x and our positive 2x. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3x. And then positive 3 plus 1 is positive 4. So there's your final answer of 6x squared minus 3x plus 4. We are in standard form because we are highest exponent to lowest exponent, and there's nothing else to combine. All right, at this time you can pause the video, try the check for understanding yourself, and then come back to check your answer. Okay, so for our check for understanding, like I said, I'm not going to rewrite the problem. I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to highlight, or you can write the terms together if you like, instead of highlighting, if you can't highlight or anything like that. So we have negative 8n to the third and negative 4n to the third. Remember, they do not have to be in standard form in your polynomials. So you might have to look around and make sure you have those like terms. We have a positive 6n and a positive 11n. And lastly, we have a negative 7 and a positive 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to now combine like terms, starting off their highest exponent, which is the 3 here. So negative 8 minus 4. So I'm down $8 and I lose another $4. I'm down $12. So 12n to the third. And then I have my n's. I have no n squared. So now I have my n's. So I have 6 minus 4, which is positive 2n. And then negative 7 plus 2, which is negative 5. Final answer, standard form, and nothing else to combine.